Let's Eat Universal Studios Hollywood is celebrating the world-famous Studio Tour's 60th anniversary, April 26th through August 11th, 2024, with retro glamour trams, limited-time moments on the back lot, and a wide variety of themed food, desserts, and beverages. In this video, we show you what's on the menu, locations, and how to experience the new 60th anniversary dining pass. We'll also show you those classic 1964 TV dinners being offered at Mels Diner. They're so cool, you gotta get one for the gram.
Today we are back at Universal Studios Hollywood, the 60th anniversary of the studio tour, in addition to a special studio tour on the back lot, and we'll show you that. Clips, and then we have a whole video of that from the preview. There are special food, beverages, and desserts all over the park, and you can purchase a dining pass that gets you 2 entrees and 4 snacks, drinks, whatever you'd like to choose from the menu at multiple locations here in the park. So we're going to show you most of that food. We can't eat all of it, but we'll show you a good portion of it.
Step back in time with the 60th anniversary dining pass, where you'll be able to indulge in delicious retro-themed food, beverages, and desserts throughout the park. The dining pass includes your choice of 2 eligible entree items and 4 eligible dessert, snack, side, or beverage items. Purchase in park at any participating food and beverage location. Valid only on the date of purchase at participating locations. Exclusions do apply, so see the terms and conditions for details. Note, alcohol is not included with the dining pass.
We are at Hollywood and Dine, and their 60th anniversary options include a barbecue brisket sandwich for $17.99, a barbecue pulled pork sandwich for $17.99, a barbecue cheeseburger for $16.99, a barbecue chicken sandwich for $16.99, the summer strawberry salad for $14.99, and they also have a barbecue corn dog that is $12.99. And the items with the buns have woody woodpecker burnt onto the top of them. So we tried today the barbecue corn dogs. Let me tell you what that one is. That is a corn dog drizzled with barbecue sauce and mustard. Pretty simple. So here we go. This is what this one looks like. And it rolled on the way over. So the presentation was a little bit nicer before I got to it, but there you go. And then the strawberry summer salad has a strawberry vinaigrette, and this looks absolutely delicious. It's got strawberries, veggies, croutons, feta cheese. This looks really good. And then we'll tell you about the desserts and the drinks in just a minute. All right, this salad has croutons, onions, tomatoes, radishes, spring mix, strawberries, and feta cheese. So I stand corrected. It is not feta cheese. It is actually goat cheese, which is even better. And the strawberry vinaigrette, very good. Very tart. Very, very tart, but it's a good salad. And the corn dog was good. The fries were good. I did not personally care for the mustard on there, so if I were to get it again, I'd ask for no mustard. The barbecue was good and the corn dog was good, but I would not get the mustard or ask for it on the side. At Hollywood and Dine for dessert, they have a film reel cookie sandwich, which is cookies and cream filled sugar cookies, topped with a film strip decor, and we had this the other night at Mels, also available there, so we'll edit in that footage. It is super cold in this corner. They have a Chili Willy coconut cake also, which is a white chocolate cake coated in coconut flakes, topped with Chili Willy hat and a Chili Willy sugar decor. And they also have a Chili Willy funnel cake, which we'll show you here in a bit, but let's start with this Chili Willy coconut cake. And there you go. And last but not least is the Glamour Tram cookie. This is just a regular sugar cookie with a printed tram. This is really cute. We got this at Hollywood and Dine also, and I believe it's available in other locations, and everything is blowing off the table, so let me grab it. Very simple cookie, but I like it. Okay. That Chili Willy coconut cake is delicious. There's a couple that I watched down in the Smoky Mountains. Smoky Mountain Food, Faith, and Fun. When it's good, she twirls her fork. That is a fork twirler. This is pure sugar. One thing I don't need is like pork sugar. And here's the Chili Willy. This is the Chili Willy funnel cake. It is raspberry and chocolate whipped cream, powdered sugar, and your little Chili Willy there. Let's dig in. This is huge. Also available at locations throughout the park is the 60th anniversary sipper. And these are $19 each. If you buy 2 or more, they are $17. It includes free soft drink refills the day of purchase, and you can bring it back on other visits and do a refill for $12 all day, all over again. And they also have those highly sought after popcorn buckets. They're a glamour tram driven by Woody Woodpecker, and they are $43.99. Also here at Hollywood and Dine for the signature non-alcoholic drink is the Cosmic Pop. Now that is also available over at Mels, and we had that the other night, so I'll edit that footage in along with the food that is available over there at Mels also.
All of the 60th anniversary items can also be purchased individually without the dining pass. And we noticed on our visit that throughout the park, most regular menu items are also included, so you are not limited to just the 60th anniversary selections. There are a few exceptions though, including Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Super Nintendo World, also the Starbucks locations, the Coca-Cola Freestyle, and a few other spots. So make sure you check the menu board or speak to a team member before ordering or purchasing the pass.
So over at Mels, they have 1964 classic TV dinners. They have a meatloaf with mashed potatoes and veggies with a brownie cake. And they also have fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy with the veggies and the brownie cake. Again, they're 1964, and they do come with a fountain drink. In addition, they have some desserts, including the film reel cookie that is additional, so we got one of those. The non-alcoholic drink is the Cosmic Pop, and as we're showing it to you, we'll tell you what's in it, because honestly I can't remember. And if you want a little spike of something, they do have the Glitz and Glamour, which is an adult beverage, and we'll tell you what that is too. Whoops, when we take a closer look. This music above us is really loud, but this is the Glitz and Glamour, which is pink lemonade, vodka, Sprite, lemon hibiscus syrup, and citrus topped with whipped cream and chocolate candy pearls with a marshmallow sugar rim. There you go. Oh, that is good. That could be dangerous because you don't taste the alcohol, but that's really good. Real super sweet. Now this is the non-alcoholic. And since I can't remember anything, we have to hold this up here. It is the Cosmic Pop. This is $11. The Glitz and Glamour was $18. This is Sprite, Blue Curacao, Grenadine. Well, Blue Curacao syrup probably, because Blue Curacao is alcoholic, isn't it? This is a non-alcoholic drink, I know. Grenadine and sparkling cranberry juice topped with blue and raspberry pop rocks.
Do you have whipped cream?
I have whipped cream on my face, I'm being told. Oh, that is good too, and it had the pop rocks on it, and you can hear them popping. So I will say this 1964 dinner was kind of a cool idea in the little TV tray, and it does come with that dessert and your soft drink. So for 1964 plus past member discount, not too bad of a deal, I guess, because the soda's like $4 or $5 if you don't have a refill cup, and you get your discount, so it comes out to like $18 something. Let's try this cookie now. The cookie has a gray frosting, which will probably turn my mouth black for the rest of the video. Let's give it a try.
Just a reminder that the 1964 TV dinners are not included on the dining pass, but do come with that small dessert and soft drink. Also, merchandise including the popcorn bucket and sippers are not included either. Now let's head over to City Snack Shop, which has been decorated to look like a glamour tram, to see what they have there.
From City Snack Shop, there are a bunch of snacks on there that are on the 60th anniversary. Then other options that you can use with that dining pass too. This is the 60th anniversary pretzel. And we also have the 60th anniversary donut. Look at that.
Now we'll head down the Starway to the lower lot to see the selections at Studio Scoop. These ice cream creations include the Glam Tram ice cream cone and the Sundae Made for Two. Back up at Mel's, don't forget there is a cherry Coke float, root beer float, apple pie shake, and cherry pie shake.
So if you're using the dining pass, you can get that King Kong Sundae for two, which is $18.99, or you can get a bottle of water or a soda for $4.75. So check the prices when you're purchasing the items. It's 2 entrees and then 4 of other things with those symbols. Look for those symbols up there.
Of course, all of the food is in celebration of the 60th anniversary of the studio tour. Many of the trams have been decorated to look like the original 1964 glamour trams. While on the tour during the anniversary, you may see Doc Brown and his time machine on the set of Courthouse Square, the newly refurbished Earthquake attraction, and further into the lot you'll see a newly refreshed War of the Worlds set, passed by a Hollywood sign recreation, and the highlight of the tour being able to step off for a walk past the Bates Motel, glam tram photo, Psycho House backdrop photo op. You'll get to see Norman Bates up close. And then around the other side of the Bates Motel will be a variety of photo ops with props from Universal movies. You'll also see a new T-Rex and the Lions Estate signs, plus much, much more on the 60th anniversary of the studio tour at Universal Studios Hollywood.
That is it here from Universal Studios Hollywood, the 60th anniversary of the studio tour. Showed you all this good food. Make sure you check out our other videos on the 60th anniversary tram tour itself. All the decorations around the park, and there's also a new Fall Guy pre-show coming to Waterworld. And by the time this video goes up, we may have already been to that. We'll see, but make sure you check that out too. If you like this video and found it helpful, make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on, and comment below which item did you see today from this video that you want to try. We're taking these donuts home because there's no way I can eat this. Now let's take a look at the full menu. What you're looking at now are the entrees, and in just a few seconds we'll take a look at all the desserts, the ice cream, and the beverages that are available for a limited time during the 60th anniversary of the studio tour at Universal Studios Hollywood. And once again, this is not the full menu that you can use for that dining card. There are many other options throughout the park. This is just that limited time menu. So if you want to try something different for a limited time, these are your selections.
Thank you once again for watching, and don't forget to comment below with what item you're most excited to try here at the 60th anniversary of the studio tour at Universal Studios Hollywood.